There it goes. I heard a beep. That's on. Alright, I'm running a fucking GoPro. 7-8 seconds. Look, I'm only getting started. So I'm taking my time because I'm slow. I'm 68 years old. Right? Put that fucking light down. Yeah, we're up here, we're extorting money, more money. Oh yeah, there's the inspection lane over here, see? Over here is the inspection lane where they got that new gadget sticking in your car, right? They're sticking a new gadget in your car. It's gonna cost you more money. And it might just be a light, there ain't nothing wrong with the damn car. Might go March the 5th, Tuesday, 2024. Look at them. Oh, we'll go in there. Anyway. Oh, shit. Been around. Some people's first rodeo, huh? Not mine. Hot damn. That's nice. Take one of me, too. I wasn't in the picture. What's going on, man? I'm a famous auditor. You could put me in there. Hey, look, man, I'm just trying to school people about getting your information laminated. There's Chili's trifold. Put it on top of your visor. That way you ain't reaching around, grabbing, looking for everything. Everything's right there.
All right.
You know, they don't like that, see? They want to stick that new gadget in there and cost everybody new money, you know?
Yeah, there you go.
They extort more money off.
Bureaucracy.
I'm gonna go get a picture. I just pulled up. Yeah, I see police up in there. I'm used to that shit. How you doing, sir? Oh, it's rainy out here. Yeah, I wasn't gonna come out in the rain, but I don't want to get my stuff wet. I got expensive stuff. Ruin my cameras and shit. But yeah. Anyway.
Beautiful day in the Motor Beach.
Yeah, if you can, man. This is a good way to do your stuff. See, I put this on YouTube. They pull it off because I got my information. You put all your stuff together, keep it over your visor. The cop pulls you over. You got it all, right? And get one of, I don't know if you watch Elite Laws. Elite Laws, he's a scholar. He knows all about the laws and shit. And I've been following him pretty steady for a year.
Right.
So he does good work. Yeah. I'm out here auditing now. I went from holding a flag, you know, to started auditing police and things like that. I just stopped down the road here, caught this cop down here. He was on the arrested me about a year ago. Yeah, I said, you don't remember that? I got it on video. Yeah, I got YouTube. So
I watch a lot of the guys.
Oh yeah, live channel.
A lot of the guys that are that go on public property, and then the cops try to run them off.
Yeah, it's illegal, man. And you get them in a lawsuit, 1983, 242, and the 241 conspiracy. See, that's why people got to learn the Constitution, man.
Right.
Because they will break it. But this state, so far what I can see, in the Dollar State, is not, the Dollar State troopers don't seem to be too bad. They're very professional. When I rolled up on him, he didn't seem like he was scared.
Right.
But he might have knew me, because I got a little record.
Right.
So, but that's beside all the point, you know. It's the fact is,
I've seen a few of them over in some of the videos I was watching over in Maryland, the state police.
Yeah, I want to get over to Maryland. Sean Porter and Benghazi Rabbit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I want to get over there. Let's go. Cause I'm just like that, man. I'll jump right in that.
That's I sit there and I can watch that.
I got all kinds of signs. I've been around for 10 years doing this.
That's cool.
Yeah, I've been to DC and everywhere.
I'm from over in Maryland anyway.
Yeah.
Been here 10 years.
I'm almost sick. I'll be 68 in May, man. So I'm slowing down. Everything. My feet are swelling up. I think I got diabetes. I can't move like you used to.
Yeah.
And you know what they say? Mike Dolan, you're a traitor. See, I used to be a prison guard for 20 years in Smyrna. They say, Mike Dolan, you're a traitor. You hate cops now. I said, what are you talking about? You cops don't even get trained right.
Right.
You should go to jail and work for 10 years before you become a cop. And these little townies, you know, these little towns, they think they're all that shit. Because that's how they train you when you got a badge, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I was a fucking tyrant, man. You know, and then I got the man upstairs.
Right.
He like, now you're Saul. You used to be Paul, but now, oh, no, the other way around. Now you're Paul. You used to be Saul. I did a lot of shit I'm ashamed of.
All good, man.
But and I went through the shit with it, and they usually don't bother me too much because all the orders,
when they know who you are.
all the orders are different. I got so much stuff to foil. I don't. I mean, you can choose what you want to do.
Right.
If you don't want to give them nothing, you can refuse everything.
Right.
You just have to take the heat comes with it.
That's right.
And I've done that.
Yep.
So, you know.
And it all depends on.
I hate these.
It all depends on what you go on.
Cop suckers and shit.
What you get, you know, what you get pulled over for.
You got to test them. You got to find out who's the good cops, who's the fucking bad cops. And these big cities are fucking knocking people off. Yeah, and that's just dirty, man.
Yeah.
You watch Eli?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm one of Eli's. I'm membership on all out of them. I'm gonna rent all out of them. Yeah. I got all 3 chilies, and I've been on the podcast and all that. So you might have seen me on there. I was on 22, number 22, I think it was. But or the 22nd, I think it was, this month.
Yeah, I watch all this, man. I sit there at night, man. Sometimes
they argue, they get stupid sometimes, you know? Arguing over dumb shit.
Right.
You know? I mean, talk serious, you know? I'm on there, I'm talking about, I said, ask me anything about the prison or the fucking courts.
Right.
Because I know they're corrupt.
Right.
I know it for a fact.
Right.
So, you know, and I can answer you some questions. Yeah. I'm not scared of these son of a bitches. I'm not scared of them. I just told the cop down there, his eyes got big. I said, I'm gonna go to Biden's house next. See a secret agent, man. See him out there jogging around, exercising down the street there. That little bastard done ruined the damn country.
I see that shit, man, because I've done a lot of work at the White House.
Yeah.
Electrical work.
I've been over to Basilica. I was all into the church and shit. I quit drinking, you know. But, yeah. I'm retired. I ain't doing no. You know, I ain't gonna go work at a fucking store, stocking a fucking. How am I here doing this?
Right.
Cause it's fun. It's actually pretty fun, you know.
Yeah. You go out there and test the boys, man.
Yeah.
Give them something. Give them worth their while.
Yeah, I'll step in here and then they'll probably run me out. But
did they do that?
they might just leave me alone because I'm recording, you know. Recording.
So that's when they start. Yeah.
Oh, you're trying to get me killed? They probably got.
Like when they record.
They probably got ponytail working in here.
I'm recording. The first thing they're gonna say, I'm recording.
I like it how you see. That's what gets me, man. These motherfuckers. I'm too old to be fighting anymore. Right. But I'm a fucking martial artist all my life. And I know a lot of shit. You know, I'm trained in pain. So nothing they can do to me is about it. They take like 3 or 4 motherfuckers with tasers and they can't even stop me. You know, so that's why I don't get bothered too much. I got felony charges, but that's fucking in the past. I don't care about that shit. That shit don't mean nothing to me. They can't find. They can't get what they can't find.
That's right.
You know, and then you go anywhere and get a fuck. You go anywhere and get what you want. Yep. You go to a big city.
Yeah.
Shit, they sell their asses for nothing over there. Fucking Allegheny. I remember watch that all the time with them homeless people.
Right.
In Allegheny, Pennsylvania, you know, right there. And that's sad, man. I hate to see people like that, man. I just paid one girl's fine off. I don't know if you've seen her, Josephine. She was arguing with everybody, Josephine Pasquale, and she was on Eli's channel. I just paid her fine off up in New York. She had charges they were going to try. They're picking on up in New York. It's worse up there.
Right.
And I paid her shit off so she wouldn't go to jail. Wouldn't have to worry about it. Because I'll jump on the phone and tell them off in a heartbeat.
Right.
I'll just go, yeah, just go like that, you know. I don't want them motherfuckers who don't give a fuck.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm from New Jersey.
I hear you, brother.
There's a lot more to my story, though. Thank you for your service, sir, fireman.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. But
Old Jersey.
that's a canine. I eat dog, you know.
Well,
It's a Thai thing.
he's
Is it?
that's the one in there. That's the one that's inside that's behind the desk.
Yeah, he probably sees me out here.
It's usually state in here.
Yeah, state troopers. They got easy job.
And they might be on light duty,
Yeah.
sitting in here all day.
People either get offended or when they see the fucking camera, they'll change up. I got all them codes and shit in my pocket. They'll change up just like that. You know, when they see that fucking shit.
Yep.
That's what they do. But you get some of them guys, man, they got 500,000 subscribers. And I guess the press and the son, Watson.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's some bad boys. Direct D.
Them boys are on point too, man.
I
You better have
remember.
your shit together, yeah. And you know what? The funny thing is, when an officer rolls up on them, they know what they're dealing with.